Hello guys, today I will show you how to animate puddles when the character runs through them, just like here. For the scene we're going to modify the background. I'm going to choose one from one of the episode original ones. This one will do. Open it in Photoshop. I also have a puddle overlay. Select it using Ctrl+A, copy it using Ctrl+C and paste it to the background using Ctrl+V. Place the puddles across the road. I'm going to place 3 puddles. Press Ctrl+T to transform the puddle however you like. Merge the layers. Select and copy the background and create a new file. It will have the same size as the background we need. We need a transparent background. Be sure to choose it. Paste our image here. We're going to create an overlay so we can add reflections to the puddles. Choose a polygonal lasso tool and start tracing them. Once you've finished, right-click on the puddle and choose Layer via Cut, then return to the main layer. And do the same step for the rest of the puddles. Merge puddle layers together and change their opacity to, let's say, 60%. Save this image in PNG format. We will upload it as an overlay. We will also need some puddle splash overlay, something like this. Go to the script, add the background and the overlay we created and put it at layer 1. Reset the zoom and place 2 characters. One will be the main one. Place him at layer 2. The other character will be a reflection character and he will be at layer 0. And make him face the opposite direction than the main character. Write down reflection becomes character, so the reflection character copies the appearance of the main character. Now we're going to adjust them on the scene. Let's remove the speech bubble by scaling it to 0 so it won't get in the way. And let's place the characters on the first puddle. Let's start with the main character. And the reflection character. She will be under the overlay we created, so you can only see her in the puddle. We need to flip her upside down. To do that, make her scale number negative. And ideally, the scale number of the reflection character and the main character should be the same. Write down their current coordinates in the next comments. Ampersand, reflection, walks to spot the coordinates. Use the scale number of the main character, but make it negative. In zone 1 in 1 second, and reflection does it while run. Athlete neutral, and reflection faces left. Then character walks to spot the coordinates. In zone 1 in 1 second, and character does it while run, athletic neutral. We use the ampersand with reflection so the characters can move simultaneously. Adjust the zoom. And now we're going to place our character off screen left. This will be the spot from which they will enter. Replace the initial coordinates with the new ones. Next, we're going to move the characters to the second puddle, and it is situated in zone 2. So let's add the command pun to zone 2 in 1.5 seconds this time. And let's see what we have. Perfect. Now we need to move them to the second puddle. Repeat the previous walks to spot commands for the second puddle with new coordinate. Adjust the zoom. And place it beneath the pun command. Don't forget to use the ampersand. Let's go to the third puddle and do the same steps. Now we're going to move the characters off screen right. This will be the spot to where they will exit the scene. Let's see what we have. Okay, everything looks good. Now when the path is created, we need to animate the splash. For this, first put the ampersand, then a pause. In this particular case, the pause should be 0.8. I measured it when created a text tutorial. Then create the puddle splash overlay and make it visible by changing its opacity to 100%. Now we need to put it in place. Write down its scale number. And its coordinates. In the last comment, change in 0 to in 0.5. Then overlay puddle splash, opacity 0% in 0.5. It's time to remove this speech bubble. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to copy this comment and paste it to the other puddles. The perfect pause for when the character runs for 1.5 seconds is 1.1 second. And this time we will be duplicating the puddle splash overlay. Overlay puddle splash to create from puddle splash. Rename the overlay in this comment. Put the last part of this comment away by using the hash sign. Copy everything and paste it for the third puddle. Change the number 2 to number 3. Now we just need to adjust the splashes on their puddles. Delete these speech bubbles. And let's add the weather effect to make the picture more plausible. The last splash is a little late. I forgot that we have our character move here in 1 second, so we need to change pause for 0.8. Now everything is perfect. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.